back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Shower by Becky G Tik Tok trend. This trend is very short, but I know that many of you have been asking for it. So here it is. And before we get started, it would mean so much to me if you could just subscribe and activate the notifications. It's really easy to do. It takes 2 seconds and I would be so happy. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is step to the left, 1, then step to the right, 2. I don't know if you have noticed, but I swing my arms when I step. So we're going to swing, swing. Then after that, we're going to bend our arms. Our hands are going to be in fists. 1 to the right, then to the left, and then to the right twice. 1, 2. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Step, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now what we're going to do is the butterfly with our hands. We have to do it for about half a second. So it's just going to look like this. And then we're going to do the dice roll. So how to do it? We're just going to step forward with our right leg. Our left arm is in front of us, just straight with our hands and fists. And then our right one just goes 1, 2. Just like that. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. Step, step, bend, 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 butterfly, dice. Perfect. Now, the only thing we have to do is step back and then look away from the camera backwards. Just like that. And then it says smile. So we're just going to go like this, like smile. Or there are 2 options. We can go either like this or just like this. However you want it, or it's easier for you, or however you like it most, then that's how you do it. And now what we're going to do, because we have already finished the dance, so now what we're going to do is practice it twice. First we're going to do it slow so that we remember every move, and then we're going to do it faster. And then you'll just have to practice it at the TikTok speed, which isn't very fast, so you'll do it perfectly. But first let's do it slow. Let's go. Step, step, bend, 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 butterfly, dice, step back, smile. And now the same thing, but a little bit faster, and that's it. We are done. Let's go. Step, step, bend, 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 butterfly, dice, step, smile. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Yeah.